New leaders often default to telling their team what to do, and if that doesn't work, they just repeat themselves louder. I call this the leadership hammer. Effective leaders, however, use a variety of tools to build relationships and trust with their team. This foundation allows them to motivate, engage, and achieve the best results. I recommend new leaders proactively explore and develop various leadership tools, such as good communication. Connect with team members by explaining the reasons behind decisions and how each person's role fits into the bigger picture. Recognition. Give genuine and authentic compliments. This is a no-brainer because it costs nothing and has a huge potential return. And finally, empathy. Acknowledging feelings while maintaining accountability. Sometimes employees just need to feel heard and seen before they can focus on problem solving. Effective leadership involves using a variety of tools to build trust and relationships, which in turn motivates and engages the team for the best results. I'm Andy Helm, Leadership Development Project Manager at the Georgia Manufacturing Extension Partnership. Contact us for information on how we can help you grow your team's soft skills through leadership development engagements.